Well, this is the Yamaha FZX. We covered how good is the bike in a different video which will be going live on the channel very soon. In this video, we'll be talking about the pros and the cons of the Yamaha FZX. You are watching All Rounders India. I am Nitin. It's time to begin. To start with, let us have a look on pro number 1, that has to be engine, refinement and power delivery. Just like any other Yamaha bike, the FZX also boasts a super refined engine. There are no harsh vibrations, be it on the foot pegs, be it on the handlebar, be it on the seat. And again, the NVH levels, if we talk about from this engine, again they are very impressive. The power delivery is great. Driving this vehicle, or I would say riding this vehicle in the city traffic, is not an issue. Apart from that, the clutch 2 is very light to operate, and in all, if I talk about the overall driving dynamics, be it in terms of engine refinement, power delivery, ease of riding, etc, the FZX will definitely leave you impressed. Pro number 2 has to be the exclusivity on offer. The FZX is one of its kind bike अगर हम बात करते हैं 150cc segment की, and somewhere the looks of the bikes, the neo retro styling, the seats, everything remain very exclusive. And if you are looking for a exclusive looks and a very strong road presence, well, the FZX will be a great choice for you. Moving on to the next point, it has to be the quality and the fit and finish levels. Just like any other Yamaha bike, the FZX also boasts superb fit and finish levels. The quality of the parts, the quality of the components used in the bike, well, it remains super impressive, and all the cables, wires, they are well secured as well. So in terms of quality and fit and finish levels, or the premium feel that you want from your bike, the FZX will definitely score a lot of points. Moving on to the 4th point, it has to be the comfortable ride experience. The seat of the FZX is very comfortable. The suspension setup too is tuned to deliver maximum comfort, and somewhere if you are using this bike on bad roads, on roads with full of potholes, well, the overall ride experience will definitely be very comfortable. Despite being a 150cc bike, the FZX is not very heavy, hence it is very easy to maneuver in the urban traffic, through narrow lanes, through tight spaces. And apart from that, if I talk about the other dynamics, the high speed stability, the grip on offer, well, for urban use, for city usage, till speeds up to 60-70, it is very easy to handle. Navigating it through the traffic is there's like no problem in that, and the grip on offer from the tires too is exceptional. Again, the bike gets dual purpose tires, and the blocks which are available on the tires do provide it a lot of grip, be it on road or out of the road, or I would say off road. Moving on to the cons of the bike, to start with, I think I have to talk about the performance and offer. Well, the bike definitely feels a little underpowered when compared to the rivals. The power and the torque figures are not very impressive or very high in my opinion, but what did leave me impressed is the way the power is delivered. However, in terms of outright performance, the bike surely leaves a lot of things to be desired, and the performance could have been better. Moving on to the next con, where it has to be the cost cutting on offer. FZX is not a very cheap bike, and somewhere Yamaha have cut corners when it comes to cost cutting. The headlamps, for example, they feel a little unfinished. A proper glass covering would have been appreciated. Apart from that, I do not have a hinged fuel cap, and when I open it, it actually comes out in the hand. So things like these should have been avoided, and the brand should have offered slightly better parts and slightly better quality in some places. last but not the least, and not everyone may agree to this point, well, it has to be the looks. The FZX definitely looks very unique, has a great road presence, but somewhere the design is a little out of proportions and not everyone is liking the overall design language of this bike. While there are people who are loving the design, some people are still criticizing it, be it the rear design or be it the bad proportions. Well, these were the pros and cons of the Yamaha FZX in our opinion. What do you think about the bike? Well, do let us know in the comments box below. Having said that, a detailed review of the bike will be going live soon on the channel, so stay tuned for that as well. You were watching Auto Hunters India. Do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. It's bye for now. Stay safe, stay healthy.